Blinn College, in conjunction with TEEX, has extended invitations to 15 high schools, 700 high school students, and today is to explore high-wage, high-demand occupations and trades. We have trades representation from Blinn today, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, so the HVAC program, plumbing, carpentry, electrical, many of our health professions. These are all very exciting occupations, and students are just eager to learn and excited to be here.
The students come out into the main portion of the hangar, and we have the vendor tables set up where they can ask questions, get more information, learn about the programs a little bit more in depth. And then after that, they can go outside, and we've got several demonstrations set up. So we have pole climbing, we have welding, fire and EMS, and a number of other programs that are available where they can actually see some of that equipment or some of those folks actually in action as to what they would do on a normal day.
I learned more about everything. Seeing this, it helps like, hey, I kind of know what I'm doing afterwards. You can do almost the same things at Blinn or RELLIS.
I thought all the booths were really interesting, but I really liked the engineering and some of the firefighting and forensics booths were very cool. I had heard about some of it, but I did not know to this extent how much was offered here. This is a good opportunity to just learn a little bit more about what kind of choices I have